Can a UK citizen open a Wyoming LLC without travel? Yes, and Bastion Formations does it in 3 days. Here's the problem. Most UK founders think they need a US address. You can form a Wyoming LLC from London in 72 hours with 0 US visits required. Bastion Formations handles your registered agent for $99 per year, so mail never bounces back to the UK. Picture this. You're a UK founder launching a SaaS product targeting US customers. You want a Wyoming LLC for payment processing and tax simplicity. But you read forum posts claiming you need to fly to Cheyenne or hire a US lawyer. Within 48 hours you've wasted $400 on consultations that tell you conflicting stories. This is exactly why we built Bastion Formations. The entire Wyoming LLC process is 100% remote. No flight. No notary trip. No US bank account requirement up front. You fill out one online form, we file with the Wyoming Secretary of State, and your LLC exists in 1 to 3 business days. Most people fail here. They hire a cheap formation service that doesn't include a registered agent or EIN application. So their LLC gets suspended after 6 months because Wyoming sends compliance notices to an address no one checks. Or they can't open a US bank account because they have no EIN. Then they pay another $300 to fix it. With Bastion Formations, your Wyoming LLC package includes formation, registered agent, and EIN application for $249. Everything you need to operate from the UK is in one bundle. Step 2. Choose your Wyoming LLC name and register it through Bastion Formations for $249. That price covers the state filing fee, your registered agent service for the first year, and EIN application with the IRS. Most UK founders complete the online form in under 10 minutes. You'll need your passport, a UK address for official records, and your business activity description. Bastion Formations files the Articles of Organization with Wyoming within 24 hours. The state approves it in 1 to 3 business days. You never leave your flat. Step 3. Receive your EIN from the IRS within 7 to 10 business days. This is important. Your EIN is your US tax ID. Without it, you can't open a US bank account, sign up for Stripe, or file your annual tax return. Bastion Formations submits IRS Form SS4 on your behalf using the responsible party method. They handle the entire back and forth with the IRS. Once your EIN arrives, you can apply for Mercury, Relay, or Wise business accounts. All 3 accept non-US founders with Wyoming LLCs. Mercury approves most UK applicants in 48 hours if your LLC documents are clean. Here's the problem with DIY Wyoming LLC formation as a UK citizen. You file the LLC yourself for $100. Then you realize you need a registered agent. You pay another $125. Then you can't get your EIN because the IRS phone line won't talk to non-US applicants. You pay an accountant $200 to file Form SS4. Total cost is now $425, and you've spent 3 weeks chasing paperwork. With Bastion Formations, the same result costs $249 and takes 3 days. Advanced move for UK tax residents. Your Wyoming LLC is a disregarded entity by default, meaning the IRS treats it as a sole proprietorship. For UK tax purposes, HMRC may treat your LLC as a partnership or a corporation depending on your elections. If you're the sole member and do nothing, it's usually transparent for UK tax, so you report profits on your UK self-assessment under self-employment income. This avoids double taxation. But if you want the LLC taxed as a US C Corp to retain earnings in the US, file IRS Form 8832 within 75 days of formation. Here's the exact wording to use in Box 6 of Form 8832 if you want C Corp treatment. Quote, The entity elects to be classified as an association taxable as a corporation effective your LLC formation date. Bastion Formations can coordinate this filing, or you can mail it yourself to the IRS address in Ogden, Utah listed in the form instructions. The entity elects to be classified as an association taxable as a corporation effective your LLC formation date. UK citizens form Wyoming LLCs 100% remotely in 3 days. Bastion Formations bundles LLC, agent, and EIN for $249. Get your EIN in 7 days and open Mercury from London. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit Bastion Formations at bastionformations.com to open your Wyoming LLC today. Visit https://bastionformations.com.